Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have seen that how we can divide the fractions. Students, we have already seen that how we can solve word problems given on the division in the previous video. Now students, in this video we are going to take a quick revision about the addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. So we are going to take a revision of all these things. So students, let's start. Okay, so you have already learned all these things, but here we are going to take a quick revision. Okay, so and inshallah in the next video from Tuesday we are going to start our new lesson. Okay, and I will send you the exercises, the problem set through PDF. So you will have to note down all those questions and answers in your notebook. Okay, so I will check your notebook whenever you will come in the school, and do your homework also, okay, properly and regularly. Here are two examples. One is on the addition of the mixed number and one is on the subtraction of mixed number. So let's start. So students, did you remember that how we can solve the addition problem? So first of all we will have to bring the whole number at one side, that is 1 plus 3. Then again fractional part on another side, that is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, now students, here you can see that 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, so we can write 4 over here. Then plus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, we will have to convert this 2 into 4, so bring 4 over here. So 1 upon 4 as it is, plus, so plus whenever we want to convert 2 into 4, so we'll have to multiply that fraction by 2. So 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So we can write this as 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now add 4 as it is plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4, that is 3 upon 4. Okay, so likewise we will have to add the mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Now the next problem of subtraction. Here this one, second one, this one. Okay, so write down first number as it is, then take whole number at one side, that is 5 minus 3. Okay, and in bracket you will have to take 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, minus 1 upon 3. Now students, here you can see that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 as it is, plus sign. Now here students, we cannot convert 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. So what we will do? We will multiply this fraction, first fraction by 3 and second fraction by 2. So our answer will be 1 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 plus 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Now the next one is this one, minus 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 1, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Now minus here 2 as it is, plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 6 as it is. Our answer will be 2 whole number 1 upon 6. So students, I hope you will understand. Now the next one, that is multiplication. Okay, so students, here we can multiply denominator by denominator and numerator by numerator easily. Means here 5 as it is, 5 multiplied by 6 upon 6 multiplied by 5. 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30 is equal to 1. Okay, Now the next example is 1 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 2, this one. So 1 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 2, that is 1 7s are 7, 5 2s are 10. So our answer is 7 upon 10. So I hope students you will got it. Okay. Now the next, here students we are going to solve problems given on the divisions. We know that to divide the fraction means to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of second one. So here we can arrange the number like this. 3 upon 7 multiplied by means division becomes multiplication. Reciprocal of 5 upon 11 is equal to 11 upon 5. Now multiply simply. So 3 11s are 33, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so this is our answer. Now the next example, our next example is 11 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 7, this one. So write down 11 upon 12 as it is, divided means multiplied by reciprocal 7 upon 4. Okay, now read the table. 11 sevens are 77 divided by 12. Read the table of 12 up to 4. 12 fours are 48. So this is our answer. So students, this is all about the division of the fractions. I hope you will got this point clearly. This is all about the quick revision of this lesson, that is, and students, here we have completed our lesson number 4, that is operations on fractions. Okay, now it's time for homework. So students, your homework is learn and write the tables from 2 to 20. The table is compulsory for you because without table we can't solve the examples of division and multiplication. So tables are compulsory, so you will have to write down the tables and learn the tables. Okay, so this is all about your homework. So students, in the next video we will start our next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.